An extraordinary 7-layer security cover will be thrown over the capital from Friday night, with the security agencies reporting a threefold increase in threat perception for the 69th Independence Day. TOI has accessed the final security plan circulated among the top brass of security agencies. Prime Minister may turn down the security agency's request to address the audience from the bulletproof enclosure at Red Fort. This is a major concern for RNW and INB, the two agencies that have to secure his vicinity. While there will be 6 layers of security around Red Fort, an additional layer with confidential and detailed sub-layers will be in place for the PM. In all, about 30,000 personnel will be deployed on the ground for I-Day. Delhi Police will form the 6th and outermost layer, followed by paramilitary forces in the 5th. The 4th ring will have plainclothes staff, while the 3rd will have trained commandos from SWAT and other teams. Intelligence wing sleuths and frisking teams will form the 2nd ring, and the NSG, National Security Guards, will secure the 1st ring. 4 drones will be deployed in central Delhi to keep a watch, and helicopters will patrol the entire route. There will be 1400 cameras at strategic locations, and no vehicle will be allowed to come within a 1 kilometer radius of the PM. There will be 600 cameras on the PM's route to the fort. An air defense system will be in place around Red Fort, covering a radius of 2 kilometers. A team of 30 officers will watch the PM's route from a separate control room. Sharpshooters and spotters will be positioned on about 360 buildings along the entire route from 7 Racecourse Road to Red Fort. NSG commandos will be present atop buildings facing the fort when the PM delivers his speech on the podium. Anti-aircraft guns and weapons will also be kept ready, along with mobile quick response teams, Delhi Police's SWAT team and bomb disposal and dog squads, an officer said, adding, the identities of people living around Red Fort will be verified and the area sanitized by Thursday night.